All right, you know what time it is. It's time to check in with attorney Gilbert Adams, answering your legal questions. Thank you so much for always joining the conversation.
Thanks for having me.
Giving us the answers we need.
Thanks for having me.
All right, so we're going to roll right into it so we can get you your full answers. So the first question we have, can I sue the ER for failing to correctly diagnose my mother's condition that resulted in her death?
Well, I tell you, Jasmine, the law has changed quite a bit on what this would be a medical malpractice or medical negligence case. And in Texas, the law has changed quite a bit such that an emergency room physician has to, in effect, be grossly negligent, even for them to be liable for actual damages, almost intend to cause harm or reckless and wanton. And that's different from other types of doctors, your general practitioner, your surgeon, and this sort of thing. What the legislature has done recently has given the ER doctors a little more room to make mistakes. Many people in the legal field feel like the pendulum has swung too far and there needs to be more rights to patients, but that's for another discussion.
So can she sue or no?
She can sue. Whether she's going to be able to prove her case is a whole different story.
Nope, good call. All right, next question. After 2.5 years of not seeing our daughter, my ex suddenly wants custody. Since I'm single and I work, should I be worried?
Well, the short answer is no, you shouldn't be worried about losing custody. A judge is going to want to see sustained involvement in the child's life before the judge upsets or alters the order. Now, a judge you can go back and revisit custody issues every year, once a year. But a judge is going to want to see some sustained involvement by the father before he changes the order.
If that person already has custody, I mean, would they make such a call to legitimately take the entire full custody? I could definitely understand, you know, kind of a half and half situation, but... Well,
typically in Texas, whoever has the primary custody is going to have everything but the first, third, and fifth weekends.
Gotcha.
So yeah, in that circumstance, the father is going to have visitation, but I think the question was more about the legal custody.
Gotcha. All right, so rolling on to our last question. If my son committed a felony while in the Army, will he still receive military benefits?
Well, the military body of law is completely different than other things. Eligibility for benefits once you're out of the military all depends on your discharge. An honorable discharge, benefits would not be affected. So regardless of the conduct or a conviction, it depends on what the discharge is. A discharge with other than honorable conditions would affect benefits.
What, I don't know if there's a certain documentation or something that they would have to have for that. I don't know if that helps.
Upon discharge, they would receive documentation showing the type of discharge they received, and that would affect and help them get their benefits.
Gotcha. Just to make sure all parties are clear, because you don't want son saying one thing and mom knows another.
That's right.
To make sure you have all the facts there. And of course, we want to know how, if we want to reach out and ask you these legal questions, where can we go?
You can go to my phone number is 409-835-3000. My email address is around Gilbert@gta-law.com. I do get questions from time to time, and I'll be glad to take more.
I was going to say, and then we're here on, you know, on
Wednesday night.
Yep, to do it all. So thank you so much again for joining. You take all this, just 3 minutes, and you come here looking all snazzy.
Oh, well, thank you, Jasmine.
No problem. We appreciate your help.
Thank you.
All right, Greg joins